It must be here somewhere. Where did I put it?
What's up, Jimbo? It looks like you lost something.
Jack, my good chap, I've lost my red nose. I need it for my show and I have no spares in my bag.
Don't worry, Jimbo. I can magic a new nose if we can get some boys and girls to help.
Will you? That would be splendid. Let's call those boys and girls over there to help.
I need all you boys and girls to say abracadabra on the count of 3 so we can magic up a new nose for Jimbo. 1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra!
What? That's no good. I'll look like a blueberry. Can we try again?
1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra!
Oh no, not again.
It looks like a lump of coal. Let's try again.
Come on, we can do it. 1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra!
Oh, look, it's red now.
Yes, and you know what that means. It's showtime!
The clown's nose is a fun interactive routine for kids. The plot is very simple. You want to magic up a new nose for the clown. He's lost it somewhere. He looks in his bag. There's no new noses in there, no spare noses at all. So one or multiple helpers come up and that's where the chaos starts. They reach into the bag and that's not the right colour nose. You have another go. That's not the right colour nose. Eventually, you end up with a red nose. We provide a couple of ways to end up with the red nose at the end. One is just to end up with a red nose like this, or alternatively, when you do the black, you can actually do it with this one, which is a special colour changing nose, which you can push into your hand. The child can tap your hand and it is changed to red for the end of the routine. And of course, the clown ends up with his lovely new nose. Included in the set, you get the balls that I just showed. Of course, you get the lovely clown board. You get a stand, which many children's tricks don't include, so you can stand it on there and display it beautifully. And you also get a bag to use in the routine as well. So check out the clown's nose. It's available to order today.